What's going on, guys? So I see you looking for this pocket. Found this little guy. Works, you know, pretty easy install. Just some 2 screws. Careful when you tighten it down though. It's a 2-piece. You don't want to over tighten because the holding part where the screw goes into where you tighten, it may kind of crack on you. Just careful. Good product though overall.